Hey, I've got Brad on, this is MotoCity. Today we're going to be installing the Rekluse clutch cover onto this KTM 450 SXF. Now, this is a 2022 model, same goes for the 2021 models. Now the key to installing this without having to redo all your oil is we're going to tip this bike over on its side. We're going to remove all these bolts here, attach the cover, inspect the gasket of course, make sure the gasket is still 100%. If it's not, we're going to replace that gasket. So make sure you have an extra gasket on hand when you take this cover off, just to make sure you don't run into a snag when you're doing the installation. Now you can get replacement gaskets at ktmpartspro.com. We've got all the OEM parts and accessories you would ever need for your bike at KTM Parts Pro, so make sure you have that gasket on hand when you go to do this process.